Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing video of the Amazon Fire HD 10. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We purchased this Amazon Fire HD 10 on Prime Day here in the UK, and it has arrived after around about a week. We'll be doing an unboxing now. We'll be following this up later on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel with a full setup video, how we set up the Amazon Fire HD 10, and we'll then be following that up with yet another video on how to expand your Amazon Fire HD 10 using an SD card. But for now, the device arrived. It's very nice, simple packaging with clear details about what you can do with it, all the usual media applications, apps, etc. And it has a relatively small detail, the specification. So the Amazon Fire HD 10 has a 1920 by 1200 display. That's more than full high definition. So you'll be able to watch things like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus at full high definition. It also, as I said, has expandable memory, and we'll be going into that in a bit more detail in a separate video. It's a newer octa-core chipset. For the geeks among you, that's a MediaTek one. It has dual band Wi-Fi, and importantly it has cameras both in the back or the front. So you can use this to call friends and family, as well as to take some pictures. But we'll need to see how those pictures turn up in the long run. Now, I've just taken the plastic lip off the top. This is pretty minimal packaging, as we have come to expect of Amazon Fire tablets. As you can see, there's not a lot of filler, very little polystyrene, if any, and more importantly, there's just a plastic sleeve around the tablet itself. Now, the tablet is kept in nice box here, where you can see the Amazon smile coming through with some content. I'll put the tablet down. This is obviously the tablet we purchased is Twilight Blue, which is very similar to the previous tablets we had, which we'll be doing a comparison with. And let's see what's in the box. So I'm going to open up. So that's it. There's nothing else in the cardboard box. I'll put that to the side. Now, the charger. It's an Amazon UK charger, so it's UK plug, as you'd expect purchasing this in the UK. And let's have a look at it. I'll take the plastic off. So it's USB-A at one end, and it's declared as a 9-watt charger. So very specifically, it's 5.2 volt at 1.8 amp. So don't expect this to be a fast charger for your smartphone as well. It is a basic 9-watt charger, which is going to be, in terms of performance and speed, similar to a 10-watt basic smartphone charger. And the cable itself, as we saw on the charger, will be USB-A at one end. But as a first for Amazon, this is a 2019 model, it has USB Type-C as its charging connector, which is great because most people now are starting to have USB Type-C chargers for their smartphones or for other tablets, or even their laptop. It's great to see the Amazon Fire HD 10 have that newer Type-C cable. There's also a quick start guide for the Amazon Fire HD 10 with the cable and the details about where everything is on the device. Things to try with your Fire. So they're obviously going to push apps available through the Amazon App Store, including all the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter apps, and they're going to push a lot of Amazon services such as Audible, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime Video, and Kindle Unlimited. So everything you'd expect from a tablet, as well as Alexa. Alexa being one of the key features on Amazon tablets now. It's not just the speakers, it's also the tablets have that built in. And if you wish to, you can also install the Amazon Assistant app on your smartphone. But let's look at the tablet itself. So this is the Amazon Fire HD 10. It has some plastic with warning. This can cause suffocation, but we trust that those purchasing this will discard the plastic and hopefully have it recycled in a responsible manner. And let's have a look at the back of the device. There's a little glossy embossed Amazon smile logo, little camera at the top left of the device when looking at the back, and a little bit of print at the bottom, but nothing too noticeable. So it's nice soft touch, it's not too slippery, and it's for a 10-inch tablet quite compact. Now let's turn it around. As you can see at the top, we have the Courage port. That's a 3.5mm audio jack. Great if you already have a set of headphones and don't want to shell out for Bluetooth ones. Though this tablet does have Bluetooth, you'll be able to connect to that. Volume rocker, the USB Type-C port for charging, and the power button. On the left-hand side, there is a little lip that is for your microSD card for expanding the storage. The model we purchased is 32 gigabytes of storage, but if you want to double that or even increase that, it can take up to 512 gigabytes of storage. That's a lot of YouTube or Netflix or Amazon Prime Video downloaded to the device, as well as audiobooks and other content. The bottom of the device doesn't have anything, and at the bottom you can see there's two speakers. There's stereo speakers on the Amazon Fire HD10, which indicates that this is a device that you're supposed to be using in landscape mode for consuming content or browsing the web that way. So you have left and right channels to give you your sound. Now I'm just going to very briefly turn on the screen just so that you get a view of what the bezels are like. You see the Amazon logo coming up in the center of the screen. You can see the reflection of myself and my camera, the Fire logo. Just want to wait till the full white screen comes up, or orange. Here's white. So you can see there are some significant bezels at the top and bottom. The selfie camera or video calling camera is in the top bezel. And with the speakers on the left-hand side whilst facing the screen, you can then have an idea of what this will be like in terms of watching video on the screen. But I'll stop here for this video. We will, as I said, be following up this video with a setup video going through this Amazon Fire setup experience and giving you a tutorial on how to expand the storage on an Amazon Fire HD10 using an SD card. But for now, as I said, we'll wrap up this video. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the Amazon Fire HD10. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.